Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm back to share with you another pack of 14 different sounds that you can upload to Discord and use on your very own soundboard. They're all appropriate for YouTube distribution style meme sounds. Like I have a dolphin laughing noise, the Galaxy Brain song. It's pronounced Jod. Krill issue, Minecraft eating, the nut sound, oh no 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 laugh, Owen Wilson going wow, a couple different versions of Pepsi Man's little intro song, the Prowler sound effect, a sitcom laugh track, and also a new hand touches the beacon. So the dolphin sound is like this one, and then we've got like Minecraft eating. We also have Krill issue. Which is kind of like skill issue, but it's Krill. We've got Owen Wilson's wow. Wow. Pepsi Man might get this video flagged, so we'll leave that alone for right now, but we've also got the Prowler sound effect. Actually, I think that's War of the Worlds, but that's what that sound effect was called when I went looking for them. We also have the sitcom laugh track, and then, you know, the standard Skyrim, a new hand touches the beacon. So I'm going to put the download in the video description below. It's just a link to a Google Drive that's just got some MP3s. Pretty much all of these should be ready to upload. If not, it's probably just because, oh, this Pepsi Man one's having weird, but you can edit that easily when you upload them to shorten them slightly. So I'm not too worried about it. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy. It's been a little while since I've done a sound pack. I might do these from time to time. And if you like the sounds or you downloaded the sounds, please give this a like and share it with your friends. So bye, everybody, and have a good one, and enjoy those sounds.